At Taco Bell, customers must be in a car to get food at the drive-thru window. That's a lesson 50-year-old Terry Kimball learned the hard way Tuesday night. Kimball tried walking the drive-thru at this Largo Taco Bell. He called 911 when employees refused to take his order.
Largo emergency?
It's not an emergency. I walked up, they went and served me. So I'm at the Taco Bell at 137th and Washington. And I just want some tacos. That's it.
Kimball tells the dispatcher he has the munchies. According to the police report, he'd been drinking alcohol.
What are the employees saying?
You can't walk up. You gotta drive up. You gotta get DUI to get a taco. I got the munchies, and I walked a quarter mile from here. Are you gonna help me out, or I have to get arrested to get home? You know what I'm saying?
Well, we're not going to take you home.
I don't want you to call the manager. It's the Taco Bell.
Kimball stayed on the phone the entire time with dispatch until a Largo police officer arrived at this Taco Bell and arrested him for misuse of a 911 system. Kimball was released from jail yesterday. We tried contacting Kimball at his apartment, but nobody came to the door. He did tell the dispatcher, though, the reason he called Largo police.
When I get refused service for no reason, it tees me off, so I call you guys. Does that make sense?
Police say calling 911 for tacos does not make any sense.